If you want to factory reset or power wash a Chromebook to clear everything off it and completely reset the software so that it's like a new Chromebook, the normal way to do that would be to go into the settings and click on the power wash option down here. And Timmy has a full video about that you can watch if you want to. But if for some reason you can't do that, or you just don't want to, you can't sign into your Chromebook and pull up the settings for whatever reason, there is a way you can very easily factory reset a Chromebook directly from the sign-in screen without even knowing the password or signing into it at all. Before you do this, just keep in mind this will completely permanently delete everything that's on the Chromebook. And if it's not backed up somewhere else, there will be no way to get it back. So if this is your Chromebook and you have anything at all on it that you want to keep, you need to sign into the Chromebook first and back up those files somewhere else before you power wash it. If you don't know the password, Timmy does even have a video that shows you how you might be able to reset your password and get back into the Chromebook without deleting anything. If there's nothing on there that you want to keep, you don't need to worry about this, but just be aware it will delete everything. But as long as you're sure you want to proceed, all you need to do is turn the Chromebook on to get to the normal sign-in screen here where you'd normally sign into it. And then all you need to do is do a keyboard shortcut. You'll press Ctrl, Alt, Shift, and R all at the same time. This won't work if you're signed in to the Chromebook. You will have to be out on the sign-in screen, but go ahead and press all those keys on your keyboard. And now, if you've been using your Chromebook since it was last restarted, it will give you this message saying you need to restart your Chromebook first. So you just need to go ahead and click that restart button and it will restart for you. But if it was turned off and then you turned it on and immediately tried to factory reset it, you'll get this message here that says reset this Chromebook. If you had to restart it, you'll just click the restart button and it will restart and then give you this message. But now all you need to do here is click power wash here. And you need to confirm that it will be power washed. So it's giving you a bit of a warning here, just warning you that any local data will be lost, which is very true. But as long as you're okay with that, you can go ahead and click continue here. And now the screen's turned off. It will take it a few minutes for it to power wash. So you really just need to sit back and wait for it to complete that. And now, as we can see, it's restarting here and it's turned back on as a factory reset Chromebook. So it's now pulled up the blank version of Chrome OS, which is what you'd see if you turned on a brand new Chromebook. And you really just need to proceed with the regular setup process like you're setting up any new or factory reset Chromebook. So you'll click Get Started, and you'll need to connect it to a Wi-Fi network and sign in with your Google account and everything like that. Timmy does have other videos that walk you through the process of setting up a new Chromebook if you need some help with that, or you can really just follow the prompts that it tells you on the screen. It's really not too complicated. But now your Chromebook has been completely power washed or factory reset, so you can set it up and go ahead and do whatever you wanted to do with it now. But that's all there is to it. That's how you can power wash your Chromebook from just the sign-in screen just by using a keyboard shortcut. So hopefully you found this video helpful, and we might see you in another one in the future.